I'm Hugo Piguet. I am working at Nestlé. I'm in charge of hygienic engineering, so I work in the headquarters of Nestlé in Vevey. So my job consists of making sure we are all aligned in the company with hygienic engineering standards. We are giving training. We make sure that we are aligned also with our equipment manufacturer. If we can refer to a EHEDG guideline, that's an advantage for us. Definitely, we will not have internally an expert on welding. Therefore, we will refer on the discussion with one of our suppliers on this or that type of guideline. We have actually a few people of Nestlé working in working groups. I'm also part of the advisory board of EHEDG. So I'm representing Nestlé there. So yes, we are active and we see the benefit to be active. We want to promote EHEDG. We are happy to see EHEDG growing through the years. We see, and we have seen for a long time, the benefit of being part of those working groups to share knowledge, share experiences, share issues. So that's a really powerful way to network with our colleagues in the industry, not only our suppliers of equipment, but also our competitors. So to openly share information, and we see a big benefit, because at the end, we cannot do it alone, so we have to work all together. When anybody gets hit by an incident, it's the whole industry that suffers.
There is, of course, a difference between process development and the implementation of new insights. What is that difference exactly?
There are no difference. It has to be, when you produce food, it has to be made on an hygienic way. So whatever the consumer is, it has to be respected. So if it's for the final consumer or it's just the operators working on the line, there are no difference. It's the food, it has to be made on an hygienic manner and with food safety. Now, when you are in the development, typically in R&D centers, you will look for more flexible systems, some systems that you will be able to change rapidly and so on. And that will require more actually care and more challenging solutions, because it has to be very often flexible together with hygienic. So yes, it's challenging. And we should all be proud to be part of an organization that work on food safety.
Okay.
That's why we are here.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thanks a lot.